All right, so I went into Google Classroom and I went to the to classwork, and I'm going to have under September 5, I'm sorry I haven't put it there yet, but I'll put it there. Under September 5, I have a shared piano material that I want to show you. So if you click on this link, you can go to Shared Piano to explore and try to play Ring Around the Rosie. You can even share this link with a friend and try to play a duet together. But do practice the song first, okay? You want to try to transfer it. This is just the music in case you need the music again. But if you go to Shared Piano, you'll click here. Well, okay, I guess it's going to go right to this link. Actually, I'm going to make sure it goes to this link, okay? It's important that I repost that. And you'll get this. And if you hover over it, it tells you the title of what you're looking at. So this is Shared Piano. You're going to click on that, and you can go in and you can try to figure out how to play Ring Around the Rosie. Now, the letters are not on the white keys here. Just remember, if these are chopsticks, you know, the piano's in groups of 2 and 3, the black keys are. And so the group of 2, the white key to the left, is C for chopsticks. You know, there's usually 2 chopsticks. And so we'll say these 2 black keys. Pretend chopsticks, whoops, excuse me. And so the white key just to the left of that is going to be C for chop. If you think of these 3 black keys as a fork, then the white key to the left of the 3 black keys will be F for fork. Then you just go up the alphabet. So right after F is G in the alphabet, but G is the last letter in music. It's like Z, okay, for music. So after G comes A. A, B, C, D, E, F. And you can check your F. Was it to the left of the fork? Yes, it was, G. So we know Ring Around the Rosie started with G. So you could play. Now, not all of the keys are going to play. Well, they do if you use your finger and point to them or your mouse. But if I go to the actual key on the computer keyboard and play G, it's going to work too. F, E, though, on the keyboard will be letter D, just because they have them in a row. So A is C. This is confusing if you go by the letters, but you have a whole scale. If you start on your keyboard of A and you play up, that's a whole scale. And you can actually go to your numbers. Oh, no, you can't. Never mind. So that's how you can figure out how to play that. If you go into settings, right down here where the cog wheel is, and you click Show Note Names, it'll actually put the letters on the keys for you in case you need that, okay? And then if you want to share it with a friend, what you'll do is go down here to this link, copy it, and then you're going to email it to a friend. So I'm going to email it to myself. Let's see. And I'm going to have to paste the link in there, press Control and V. There's the link. I just emailed it to myself. I'm going to go back in it now. Hopefully, yeah, that's the one. I'm going to check my email on my phone. We'll see if I can get in here before our announcements start at Lincoln. We're about to probably start up. I'm trying to record this quick before the day starts. So I'm still waiting for that email to come into my other email address. Oh, there's our bell. There, I just got it. Okay, so now what happens is I click on that email, and if we watch down here, and my internet connection is pretty good, we should see that I have joined this on my phone as well. Hopefully. Okay, I have it on my phone, and I'm playing. Right now it just says one person. They said that you can go up to refresh it. I'm clicking on you. This is me. Sometimes, guys, you just have to try this a couple of times, but that is the right way to do it. Maybe I'll try refreshing. If you click here, they said it can help. So I'm going to click refresh, and then I'm going to click it again. I think it takes me back, but I'm not sure. No. Maybe don't click refresh. Oh, there we are. I'm in. So see, I'm playing this. So that's me, the other me on my other phone. on my phone. This is me on my computer. So and that's my panda bear emoji, but you should see the other person playing, the rabbit. It's just the internet is kind of pokey. At least I've joined now, so that's good. So, I think that did help to click refresh, but it put me in another room. So if I refresh and then take it back, I wonder if that will help. That's still me. Yeah, it's still not coming through on my phone, so I'm going to go back. Looks like I can't. Oh, rats, I really want to show this to you. I am playing on my phone and it's working. It's just not showing up here. And you need to be patient, I know. And I'm not very patient this morning, so I'm clicking refresh again. It changes my emojis, but it still is letting me. Oh, you can see my hand has come up. You see that hand? Oh, I thought that was me on my phone. It's still not working. Okay, so anyways, go up here to help, and you can learn more. There's a lot of information here, and you might be able to figure out why I am not able to make this work. So, and then you can click out of that. If I just waited 5 minutes, but who wants to wait that long? But if you have a friend who's patient and you're able to kind of email about it, and you might be able to get this to work. This is a relatively new experiment, so you have to be you have to understand that they're trying to work out the bugs and stuff, and they even say that in some of the information and help. Okay, all right, so explore that, have fun, and make sure you watch your time. You'll have the rest of the time that I have not used up before you have to go back. So join your class at 1 o'clock, okay? All right, guys, have a super great week. Bye.